Welcome back, or welcome for the first time. As we promised, we are going to continue to do our video series on, really, it could be anything from jewelry repair to redesigning to restoration work to a full custom design. Today we're going to work with something that we do a lot of, and that is to create the supporting shadow or a wedding band that is attached to an engagement ring. In many cases, lots of couples have always concentrated on obtaining the engagement ring with really no thoughts about the wedding band that is used for the ceremony and to complete the union. So what happens in many cases is the couple is coming in and scrambling to find something that either works, which in many cases it doesn't, or to create something that matches. And that's really the way that most shadow bands come together, is you want it to match so that you have a consistency between the engagement ring and the wedding band. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this all on a computer system. Once again, I work with computers. I work from the non-technical, meaning that I can draw, I can sketch, but I just think it's a lot more colorful, a lot more vivid, and it conveys just a lot more than just a hand sketch. So let's get going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the piece that we're going to work with, which is the engagement ring. It's a little bit more contemporary. It's kind of a slight bypass. Has a nice yellow or an offsetting color, which is yellow gold here. But what we want to do is we want to take this piece and develop another piece right next to it. So the easiest way is to what we call cut and paste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a certain section of the original band and I'm going to cut that, or actually I should say copy that, so that we can use it. And then what I'll do is cut away areas that I don't need anymore. So I'm just taking the outline of this band, make sure I've got everything that I need, and we are going to copy that, and then I'm going to scroll it down and bingo. Boy, wouldn't it be nice if you can just do a piece that easy, but it's got to be built and it's not that easy. But this does convey a lot, so I think that position would look well. And the next thing, of course, it leaves this opened area right here, so let's go ahead and fill that so that it is a continuing piece. Now what we're going to do, since it's kind of angled, is we're only going to take a section of one piece and we're going to take a section of the other. We might be running out of time on this, but I'm going to show you one side and then I'm going to pause and I'm going to do the completed side so you can see what this would look like. Okay, now it's actually being layered over, but I'm going to take care of that. So let's go ahead and pause, and then I'll come back and do the rest of the magic. Okay, so what I did is finished off the wedding band, and you can see that I went ahead and cut out the center diamond and overlaid it right over this area, so that you now see how the shadow band kind of connects together. And for the last part, what we're going to do is bring in something to create a better perspective. Let's see how this looks together, shadow band and all. On a hand. Thanks for watching.